Welcome to Jamaica.
Canada 982, clear to land. Wind 220 degrees, 6 knots.
07 Air Canada 982.
2709, airborne 56, radar 120 decimal 8, good day.
120 decimal 8, wish at 2709.
Canada 982, arrive 57, vacate via taxiway Alpha. Confirm the gate.
Taking via Alpha, we are going to gate 18 Air Canada at 982.
982, roger, taxi Alpha, Echo, gate 18.
So, gate 18 Air Canada 982.
To ground 12171, clear.
Number 479 Mike Juliet Tower, already cover takeoff runway 07, wind 250 degrees 5 knots.
For takeoff on runway 7, 479 Mike Juliet.
Number 479 Mike Juliet Airborne 08, contact thanks to radar 120 decimal 8, good day.
479 Mike Juliet, good day. Charlie, RMT 7, full stop.
Number 40 Hotel Charlie, thanks to tower, wind 260 degrees at 5 knots, clear to land runway 07.
40 Hotel Charlie, clear to land.
Number 40 Hotel Charlie on time 17, vacate Bravo, contact ground 121 decimal 7.
Stay on Bravo, going to the ground, 14 Hotel Charlie.
Tango Charlie Tower, wind 300 degrees 5 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Land 07. Yeah, 1462, runway 07.
United 1462 Charlie, roger, continue approach runway 07.
Approach runway 07.
Tango Charlie on time 27, vacate Delta Observer Gate, wind to ground.
And switch to ground 6 Tango Charlie.
Air 1462, wind 300 degrees, 6 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Runway 07, United 1462.
Stand by for backtrack. We can switch to tower 118.75.
Thank you. Alpha Charlie and standing by for backtrack Spirit 2829.
Thanks to 829er, Roger, stand by.
Roger, thank you.
Niner, enter runway backtrack into position 07 and wait.
Backtrack on runway 07 via Charlie here, Spirit 2829.
Air 1461, time 30, vacate Bravo. Correction, vacate Alpha, contact ground 121.7.
Evacuation Alpha, contact ground 121.7, United 1462.
Thanks to 829er, and ready to takeoff runway 07, wind 290 degrees, 6 knots.
Help, runway 7, clear for takeoff, Spirit 2829.
Airborne 33, contact radar 120.8, good day.
Good day, thank you. 1208, Spirit 2829. Our Southwest 907 is ready for departure.
Charlie 907, Roger, stand by.
Our Delta 1997 is inside of Usain, RMP 7.
907, clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 280 degrees at 6 knots.
Runway 07, South 907.
1997, Tower, continue approach runway 07.
Continue Delta 1987.
Delta 1997, clear to land runway 07, wind 290 degrees 6 knots. With 907, Airborne 37, contact radar 120.8, good day.
07, radar 120.8.
Delta 1997, you are clear to land runway 07.
And runway 7, Delta 1997. Can you say the wind one more time?
290 degrees 6 knots. Delta 1997 on 1039er, vacate Alpha, contact ground 12.7.
780 is ready, runway 07.
W780, thanks to Roger. Wind 290 degrees at 7 knots. Clear for takeoff runway 07.
0, clear for takeoff, runway 07.
Airborne 42, contact radar 120.8.
Hey, have a good one. We're clear to RP, runway 07.
correction, Westjet 2116, thanks to tower. Continue approach runway 07.
Westjet 2116.
Schedule runway 07, wind 350 degrees, 6 knots.
We're clear to land runway 07, Westjet 2116.
Wind is showing 070 degrees at 4 knots. 521, thanks to tower.
Thanks for Tower, American 2618.
I'm calling tower.
American 2618.
W521 is appeared to be 10 miles on final, no communication as yet.
Okay, thank you.
Russia 26116 on time for 6 vacate, Alpha ground 121.7.
Hey, Alpha 217. 2116.
521, thanks to tower.
521, thanks for tower. We're inbound just outside of Summit for runway 7.
521, clear to line runway 07, wind calm.
Runway 07, check for 520, roger.
On time, 50 vacate, Bravo ground 121.7.
Well, Alpha, contact ground, 0.7, JetBlue, 5 to 1. Thanks to Tower, American 2618. Inbound RNAV 07.
And 2618, wind 330 degrees, 5 knots, schedule line runway 07.
Clear to land, American 2618.
Tower, Southwest 91807, RNP.
918, tower, continue approach runway 07.
07, Southwest 918.
And 2618, arrived 1701, vacate via taxiway Bravo, contact ground 121.71, clear.
Vacate via Bravo, ground American 2618.
Southwest 90.